Hey, what's up? Ken from Palm Beach Dyno here. If you're new to our channel, please subscribe. We've got all kinds of great videos coming up. Lots of videos on Drag Week, which is what this video is about. We just ordered a 2020 GT500. We'll have a whole series on that as well. Anyway, it's July. Drag Week's only 2 weeks away, and it's time to get ready. For those of you that don't know, my 2011 Mustang GT went on Drag Week last year. To say it didn't go well is an understatement, although I did finish, so that's the ultimate goal. Or not the ultimate goal, but that's the first goal of Drag Week. The ultimate goal is to win. I'll be running the same class, which is a 850, sort of like an index class, 850 average, and it's your average, so I got to average 850s over the whole entire weekend, or week, excuse me. So, long story short, where am I headed right now? Well, I'm headed to Harvey's. Well, actually it's called Hutches Welding. That's my buddy Harvey. Harvey originally built my car when he worked at Power by the Hour, or was, you know, the main person. Power by the Hour built it, but Harvey was working there and did much of the fabrication work on it. And it's going back home to Harvey. We just arrived at Hutches Welding. All right, here's Harvey, the man himself. What are we doing to the car, Harvey?
We're going to get you some new turbos and a new custom intercooler setup. Got some new Zona Rotor turbos for you. Got a custom intercooler core.
Yep. Here's the intercooler core. We're using a Bell intercooler core. Race parts, flex joints. What we're going to do is Harvey just put through these on right now. They used to have precision turbos on it. There's going to be some adjustments needed. Where's that wastegate pipe? I thought I just saw it. This right here is where the wastegate goes down there. It doesn't fit, right? So that goes to there. So Harvey has to, first off... It's
sat in this area, yeah, now we got to modify it because you got these nice big...
You know, Harvey was originally part of the design of this turbo kit, so he's the best guy to modify it. So we got to do that first. Then the next thing is we're going to fit the intercooler right here. The intercooler is going to go right in front of the engine, and it's going to eventually bolt to the engine. Hold this a second, Harvey. This is going to go right here, probably a little bit lower. First off, Harvey's going to cut out this cross brace here and put a tubular one in. We're going to have to move all this stuff forward. This is my water tank for my intercooler. Which the intercooler is currently, well, it's not there, but it was right here. So this is going to replace that. So we might have to move the tank over there. We're not really sure yet. But this is going to go here, probably a little bit lower. And then this turbo is going to loop up into this tank. This turbo here, there'll be two tanks. And then from the bottom of the intercooler, it's going to come up into the front and right in here. So this intercooler right here is probably 2,500 horsepower core. The turbos will support 1,000 a piece, so, or a little bit more. So we're probably shooting between 16 to 1,800 horsepower at the wheels. That's obviously way more than we need for Drag Week to run 850s, but that's not primarily what I do with this car. This is more of a showpiece for you know, the 6 or 8 transmission. As you can see there, back on the firewall, we also have Nitrous Express solenoids. I put that on the car last year to solve some converter issues. I've got some really new special things for this new transmission from Brett Masala. We're working with him. since he's gone to the Power Glide, he's going to pass over a lot of his super secret stuff to us to do some testing, and we'll talk about that in some later videos. So anyway, I'm here today and we're discussing all the little details on this, and I'll come back every few days or whenever Harvey has an update to show you guys what's new. All right, well, Harvey's earning his keep already. He found a major problem with the car. For those of you that don't remember, last year I took the car to the Mod Nationals. And I made one test hit. It went 830s, leaving soft. I tried to hit it hard. I broke my drive shaft, and it felt like something major happened with the car. Like, I can't even explain to you what happened. It was almost like a jackhammer effect. The dashboard, the alarm went off on the car. Let's put it that way. So we weren't exactly sure what happened. We checked it out, put a new drive shaft in it, and the same thing happened. It turned out being an issue with the transmission and the one-way clutch slipping because I was hitting it so hard with power down low. But what we didn't know is there's some damage, so let me show you what that is. You can see right here, I think, I'm not sure who originally welded this rear end. I don't really think that's the problem. I think the extreme tire shake is what broke it, but this weld and the axle tube spun. Maybe it's best that the weld did give up and not bent the tube, or as far as I can tell. We don't know. We just found it, but I'll be taking it to AC Carcraft to get them to fix it. In the meantime, while Harvey's working on the car. This is welded, where is it? I don't know if you can see it. Lighting in here is not helping. There you go. That front weld is broken too. But if you saw how bad this thing shook, you'd understand. So what we'll do is we'll time it. I'll call AC Carcraft, see when they can get it done. We'll get the rear end dropped. I'll run it down to those guys, which is probably 45 minutes away or more. Hopefully be able to wait on it, let them put this in their jig. They originally did the rear end, the whole rear end. We've got the Billet Specialties deeper dish wheel on here. Let's take a look at those, hold on. So to get this deep dish wheel on here, which you don't really see on an S197 very often, the rear end had to be shortened quite a bit. The shocks removed, if you can see, the top mount, all that work was done there by AC Carcraft. They do some awesome fabrication work. That's another place I recommend. Those guys are great to deal with. You can see on that side how to do the same thing to clear this wheel. It's only a 15 by 10, but the deep dish is what caused the rear end to be needed to be shortened. So we'll take that rear end down, take it to them, and get it fixed, and see what else we can find wrong with it.